I have stopped uploading lessons in payhip.com and all my lectures are now for free. So, welcome to lecture 4. By the way, sorry for my tied tongue at the end of this video. I had to put everything up in a hurry, but I hope that you will understand everything I'm saying just the same. Thank you and enjoy your class. We are now going to start to learn to read music. So here are the elements of music. The staff is 5 lines where the notes are written. Can you say the word staff? Good job. Now the next one is called a treble clef. It's the symbol which is on top of the staff, and it is where the right hand notes are written. So when you see the treble staff, the notes that are on that staff are for the right hand. Can you show me your right hand? Now the next symbol is called a bass clef. The bass clef is below the treble staff, and those notes written on that staff are for the left hand. So to combine the staff and the clef signs, the treble staff is where you see the treble clef, and the notes written there will be for the right hand. And the staff with the bass clef is called the bass staff, where you will see written the left hand notes. So try to remember that the treble staff is above the bass staff. Next, we're going to take a look at a full staff, complete with the treble staff and the bass staff and other elements. Here you see the time signature, which is 4/4. The number above tells us how many counts there are per measure. And each measure are divided by a bar line, which is a vertical line crossing through the two staves. So this staff has 4 measures because it has 4 bar lines. Now the round thing that you see is called a whole note, and it has a white circle. It has a white middle and it's a circle. A whole note is 4 counts, and where it's located is called middle C or C4. Do you remember that from our previous lecture? And the inverted hat-like looking thing that you see is called a whole rest, which is 4 counts of silence. The whole notes is 4 counts of middle C, and the whole rest are 4 counts of silence. The first middle C that you see is near the treble staff, so it should be played by the right hand, number 1 finger. And the second measure, middle C that you see, is for the left hand because it's close to the bass staff. And then the third measure is again a right hand middle C because it's close to the treble staff. And then the last measure, left hand middle C, is close to the bass staff, therefore it should be played by the left hand. So I'm going to now show you how to play this on the piano. Are you ready? Can you repeat that by yourself? Are you remembering all my lessons so far? I hope so. So here are the other types of note values that you will know how to count. Okay? So the first one is whole note, which we already know. A middle C can be whole note or 4 counts, so you hold it down for 4 counts. A middle C can also be a half note, and a half note is only held down for 2 counts. Can you say whole note and half note? Now a half note has a stem, and the round thing looks like a middle C also, but the difference is the half note has a stem and the whole note doesn't have a stem or a vertical line. The third note value is quarter note, which is a dark circle with a stem or a vertical line. And a quarter note is only 1 count. So middle C can also be a quarter note, and you will hold it down for just 1 count. Now the fourth one is the dotted half note, I mean. So a dotted half note has a round, a white circle, a stem, and a dot on the side. And a dotted half note is equivalent to 3 counts. So when you see a middle C that is a dotted half note, you have to hold it down for 3 counts.